Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting new lesson. We are starting lesson 5, session 1. In the previous session, in the previous lesson, we talked a lot about theory. We discussed the definitions, the models, and the concept of AI, but theory is nothing without practice. For sure, you might ask, for example, does this actually work in the real world? We will see there together. In this lesson, titled From Theory to Practice Success Stories, we are going to look at a real example. We are going to see how the biggest companies in the world are using AI right now to win. In this session, we are focusing also on retail and e-commerce. Here, think about online shopping, delivery, and customer services, and let's see together how the giants do it. Let's start as an introduction. Let's start with the key stages in retail and e-commerce, and to introduce the AI success in retail. The retail industry has changed more in the last few years than in the previous 50 years. AI transforms retail operations through automation and predictive customer behavior analysis. So it is not just about having a website anymore. It is about predicting what the customer wants before they even know it. Also, companies leverage data-driven insight to enhance decision making and strategic planning. They don't guess, they know. This success story reveal scalable models. This means we can look at what the big players are doing and learn lesson to apply to even small businesses. We will look at logistics optimization and customer experience optimization also. You cannot talk about retail AI with talking about a giant of a domain, which is Amazon's AI strategy overview here. They are the leaders. When we talk about Amazon use AI for inventory forecasting and dynamic pricing for both of domain inventory forecasting and dynamic pricing across global markets for sure. Forecasting is when they predict exactly how many items they need in each warehouse. For dynamic pricing, they have. Have you ever noticed how prices on Amazon seems to change slightly? That is AI. It looks at demand, competitor prices, and stock levels, and adjusts the price automatically. And here, let's talk about machine learning powers and how to learning powers personalized recommendation and targeted marketing companies. The famous section is customers who bought this also bought is pure AI. It increased their sales massively, and here AI driven robots streamline warehouse operations. When you see videos of robot moving shelves in a warehouse, that is AI working. It reduces delivery time significantly. Sure, here. Let's imagine together, and imagine you order a book. The AI predicted you should buy it, so it was already in the warehouse nearest to your home, your house. A robot here picked it up instantly. The speed is not magic. It is a data. It is a workforce of data. It is a challenge of data. Another giant, another success story. It will be Alibaba and Alibaba's AI innovation. Let's talk. Let's look at another giant like Alibaba, especially in Asia. Alibaba applies AI to optimize the supply chain, and they connect manufacturers with shoppers using smart algorithms. They have smart logistics system and they predict demand and automate warehouses fulfillment process. They are famous for Singles Day, a huge shopping holiday. Their AI handles billion of transactions in one day without crashing. They also use AI chatbots to enhance customer service. These chatbots handles millions of customer queries with real-time multilingual support capabilities. They also can learn speak many languages, helping sellers and buyers from different countries to trade easily. Let's look at personalization and customer engagement, and here uh, for this let's give deeper into a key concept: personalization. In the world today, in the world today, AI tailors the shopping experience based on browsing history and purchase behavior. If you look at running shoes today, tomorrow the website might show you a sock. uh, this is done by a recommendation engine, and these engines increase conversion rates, people actually buying things, and customer satisfaction metrics. And let's look at the predictive analytics, how the predictive analytics can identify trends. The AI sees the pink shirts are becoming popular in one city, for example. So it suggests that store orders more pink shirts. It personalized the promotional offers effectively. You get a coupon for exactly what you want, not for what you don't, etc. In the same domain of optimization, looks at logistics optimization with AI. Retail is not just selling, it is delivering logistics in the backbone, etc. Here, let's look at route planning algorithm, which reduce delivery cost and improve shipping efficiency. The AI looks at traffic, weather, and package destination to find the faster rule for every driver. Another point, real-time tracking system to enhance the transparency and customer trust. When you can watch your package move on a map, you feel better. It reduces anxiety and calls to customer support. The third point is the demand forecasting tools, and here prevents stock counts. And when we talk about stock counts, this is critical. If a store runs out of a popular product, they lose money. And here AI predicts the rush and ensure inventory management process, keep the shelves full. Where there is money, where there is crime. Here, let's move to AI in fraud detection and security. And retailers must fight fraud. And here AI monitors transactions for anomalies. It looks for strange patterns. For example, if a credit card is used in London and then 10 minutes later in Tokyo, the AI spots it instantly and flags the activity. it is a fraud. Machine learning models here detect fraud patterns and prevent financial losses proactively. They learn from every attack, getting smarter over time. Also, secure authentication system use biometrics and behavioral data for verification. This includes fingerprints, face recognition, or even how you type. It makes shopping safer for everyone. It is not at all easy, but even Amazon and Alibaba face challenges. Data privacy concerns require robust governance and ethical AI frameworks. Here we are looking at challenges in AI implementation. Integration complexity demands cross-functional collaboration and ethical technical expertise. It's hard to make old system talk to new AI tools. It requires experts from different departments to work together and continuous training to ensure AI models remain accurate and contextually relevant. The world changed. If you don't retrain your AI, its prediction becomes old and wrong. And here, to measuring AI success metrics, to measure this, how do we know if AI is working? We measure it. The key performance indicators include conversion rate, how many visitors buy, for example, delivery speed, and customer retention. Do they come back? And here ROE analyzes, evaluates cost saving and revenue growth from AI initiatives. Is the technology making more money than it is to run or not? And here feedback loops, refine algorithm and improve operational outcomes consistently. We listen to the data and fix the problem. In the future trend in retail AI, let's talk where is this going? Let's go to the generative AI, the voice commerce, the augmented reality. For the first one, generative AI, it creates product descriptions and marketing content automatically. For the voice commerce, they enables hands-free shopping through smart assistant and devices. You can just say order more milk, for example, and the AI does it. For the augmented reality and AR enhances product visualization and virtual try-on experiences. You can use your phone camera, for example, to see how a pair of glasses looks on your face before you buy them. That is the impact of the AI in this domain. To conclude this session and to talk about best practices, here are some best practices we can learn from these giants. Start small with pilot projects to validate AI use case effectively. Don't try to change everything at once. Test one thing, see it, if it works, then grow. Align AI goals with business strategy from maximum impact and scalability. And don't use AI just because it is cool or it is a trend. Use it to solve a real business problem and foster an innovation culture to embrace continuous improvement and technological advancement and encourage your team to try a new thing. It's very important. Let's summarize. let's summarize and let's review sorry what we covered. We covered here AI transforms retail operations and decision. Amazon and Alibaba show us scalable AI models. Personalization drives conversion and customer loyalty. AI optimizes logistics and inventory efficiency. Fraud detection and security are strengthened by machine learning. And finally, metrics, governance, and pilot projects ensure success. In this stage, I want to thank you for joining Met. See you in the next session. Bye bye.